Right here, I have the perfect cloud couch that you're looking for. What's up, guys? My name is TJ, and today I'm going to be reviewing this 79-inch boneless couch. And this thing is so comfy. Now let's get into some of the details that make this cloud couch so great. Now this is gonna be made with a 55D high density. So there's gonna be multi-layers within this foam. Now I can tell you, I've been reviewing a couple different cloud couches, and this one is one of my favorites because it's so comfortable. This cloud couch actually comes in a gray and then this beautiful beige that you see right here. This cloud couch also comes with 6 pillows, and these things are very soft. There's a different kind of material that's in here that's in the actual couch itself. This is a high density foam. This is going to be stuffed with something that is so soft and comfortable. Very fluffy. You're going to get 6 of them. You're going to get 2 on the sides, and you're also going to get 2 in the rear. Huge pillows, really nice back support. Being able to throw all these behind you can really make you super comfortable. I love hanging on this cloud couch, watching TV, and just being super comfortable. And it doubles down as a bed. So if you do have guests stay over, I'm telling you, this is gonna be where they wanna sleep. If you just removed a couple on the side there, you're gonna have even more room to lay. And with this being 79 inches, it gives you a ton of room to be comfortable. Now, this couch actually has one feature in particular that I have never seen before on a cloud couch, and let me show you. So now that we have this down to the base, I'm gonna show you underneath, and as you can see already as I'm lifting this up, this is actually connected. Now, let's go ahead and take a closer look. As I just lifted this up, you can actually see on the bottom, there is a strap here. So all you gotta do is connect these together with Velcro, and that keeps them tight. And you can actually tighten these as much as you want. And that is a really nice feature because when you join these together, you know that they're not gonna separate on you, especially when someone is sleeping on it, because you are gonna be laying sideways. So you're gonna ensure that this part isn't gonna move on you, keeping you nice and comfortable. Now, again, on the bottom, we are gonna have a grip material going all the way throughout on both sides, keeping this locked in, even on hardwood, but especially when it's on carpet surface, it is not going to budge at all. I love how every single one of these cushions is removable, and as you can see on the bottom here, we do have a grip material, so they aren't going to slide out. So when you do have this on here as the base and you're sitting on it, this isn't going to slide out from under you because it does have a grip on here. A lot of cloud couches actually don't have that. This right here also has to be some of the softest fabric that I have felt. It's really nice, and it's really hard to pick between the beige and the gray. I think they both look absolutely amazing, but you can see on here there is a ton of room on this cloud couch, and especially with all these pillows, it makes this such a perfect choice for your living room, your bedroom, your game room, your basement, your loft. There's so many different uses you can actually use this for. You can also split this up and put an end table in between, making this 2 separate couches. And just like that, if you separate these both, it turns into 2 separate seating sections, and you can throw an end table in the middle and make this a very versatile space. If you're maybe having coffee with somebody and you don't want to sit right next to each other, you can kind of face them towards each other and make this a nice hangout spot where you can actually talk to somebody, and it's just another use of the space. But that is exactly why I love these cloud couches. There's so many different ways to use them, and this one is definitely one of my favorite that I've seen so far. These armrests are super wide as well, so sometimes I'll put my laptop here and I can work because it's actually a lot of space. You can honestly put a drink on here as well. As long as you're not jumping around too much on here, you can actually use this as a nice shelf, and I do love these wide armrests. There's no hassle when you get the box. You don't have to set anything up. You don't have to assemble anything. It's a lot easier to just take a box up to your apartment or your townhouse or your room, and then just open it up and everything just expands and you're ready to go, making it super easy and hassle-free. I highly recommend this cloud couch if you are considering getting one. This is definitely one that I recommend. It's super soft, has a very high density, really versatile, looks absolutely stunning, and it also doubles down to be used as a bed. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.